All right, so for a quick walkthrough of the vehicle, we'll start at the back. Behind this panel, you've got the engine compartment, which contains a conventional turboshaft turbine engine. This runs on JP4, so conventional fuels. That in turn drives the primary gearbox, which is under this top cover, which converts the single input from the engine into 4 outputs that go to the individual booms. At this point, transmissions then running down the length of the boom transmit the torque to the ends and drive the rotor shaft. This is all accomplished using conventional transmission technology. This is not a hybrid vehicle, it's not an electric vehicle. This allows us to, again, as Raman mentioned, leverage very high TRL technologies to immediately be able to provide capability to the end user. Once you're at the end of each boom, you have identical rotor systems, which are very conventional in construction. They are effectively conventional helicopter-style rotor hubs with a teetering degree of freedom, as well as collective pitch controls. Those collective pitch controls are driven by electric actuators, which are controlled by a fly-by-wire system. Again, I want to emphasize that all of these are very much based on proven technologies that we've tailored to fit the unique application that the customer has in mind.
Luke, a question about the power plant. You mentioned proven technologies. We've elected to go with a fossil fuel burning turbine engine. What are your thoughts on upgrading or future-proofing this aircraft? Are we ready to install a hybrid electric, for example, or an electric system?
Absolutely. When such a power plant reaches a maturity level where it would benefit the end user, we're absolutely in a good position to be able to integrate those technologies into this air vehicle platform. That also goes for other emerging technologies that, at suitable levels of maturity, will be easily integrated into this system.
Okay. Well, thanks very much, Luke, for the description
Absolutely.
on systems. Obviously, there's a lot more to learn about cargo. If you're interested, please contact us here at Kaman Aerospace. Again, I would just like to reiterate, some of Ian's words in the beginning. This is really about, affordability, maintainability, and really suitability for the end user. We are developing something that we believe the warfighter can use in the very near future. This is not an aspirational, far horizon type technology. Again, we want the operator to take this out of the box, and within minutes it should be ready for flight operations. It should also be integrated with the whole ecosystem of unmanned and manned systems that they're going to support these future operating concepts for our warfighters that are forward deployed for all of us. So thanks very much for your time today. I hope you enjoyed our presentation, and again, we're available for any questions.